Hello guys, are you one of the many who want to become ethical hacker? Then keep watching this video. Ethical hacking is the process of assessing the security posture of a system to know the weakness and vulnerabilities in the system in a lawful manner. With booming internet across the country, people are using apps, social media, digital payments, due to which data security is a concern and ethical hackers are in demand. Ethical hacker will use step-by-step methodologies such as writing codes and reverse engineering to find out the threat in a particular system or network which a malicious attacker may find and cause data loss or financial loss to the individual or an organization. But IT companies and MNC don't require an ordinary ethical hacker. They want certified ethical hacker. And to become a certified ethical hacker, you have to pass an exam that consists of 125 questions of MCQ type in 4 hours. Cutoff score ranges from 60 to 85% and that depends on the difficulty of the exam. So if you are an IT professional, site administrator, auditor or a student pursuing graduation who want to become certified ethical hacker, then you can join SSDN Technologies. Ethical hacker will learn about various issues that hamper the management process, information security and penetration testing. Second, different type of footprints and related tools and countermeasure. He will also learn about session hijacking techniques, DOS and DDoS attack techniques, tools and countermeasures. He will learn about firewalls, IDs and honeypot evasion techniques. You will also learn about cloud computing, concept and threat attack and countermeasures. As an ethical hacker, you will get employed in financial institutions, IT companies, consultancies, government organizations, forensic laboratories, security agencies, telecom and defense organizations as a computer network defense analyst, network security analyst, C&D auditor, forensic analyst, security analyst and consultancy, penetration tester. So guys, just Google ethical hacking course at SSDN Technologies and become a certified ethical hacker. You can contact us on call 9999 111 686, WhatsApp at 9999509970. If you like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to our YouTube channel. To get more videos like this, also follow us on Facebook, Twitter and LinkedIn, and all the links are available in the description.